If you own a Volkswagen and want wireless CarPlay, but hate the idea of cutting your dashboard or installing an ugly floating screen that sticks out like a sore thumb, this video is for you. The SCUMAXCON RCD360 PRO3S was designed specifically for people who want that clean factory look. Here are 5 reasons it's perfect for OEM style lovers.
That means your dashboard looks completely stock after installation. Nobody will even know you upgraded unless you tell them. Reason 2, you keep your original physical buttons and knobs. Many aftermarket units force you to use a touchscreen for everything, which is distracting while driving. With the RCD360, you can still adjust volume or change stations by feel, just like you did from the factory. It's the perfect blend of old-school usability and modern tech. And at night, the button lighting matches your other dashboard controls perfectly. No weird mismatched colors killing the ambience of your interior. Reason 3, the plastics and color match the OEM interior perfectly. We didn't cut corners with cheap, glossy plastics that look out of place. The texture, the matte finish, even the grain pattern is engineered to match what Volkswagen already had. It blends in seamlessly. From the driver's seat, it looks like this is how your car came from the factory. That's the whole point of an OEM-style retrofit. Reason 4, full CAN bus integration with your car's computer. That means it displays all the factory information you expect. You get door ajar warnings, parking sensor display, even air conditioning temperature readout right on the screen. It also works perfectly with your factory multifunction steering wheel buttons. Control volume, skip tracks, answer calls without taking your hands off the wheel. Everything works exactly the way it did before, but now you have all the benefits of modern Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Reason 5, it keeps your factory amplifier and sound system intact. If you have the optional Dynaudio or Fender Premium Audio, you don't lose it. Many aftermarket replacements require you to bypass the factory amp, which can actually hurt your sound quality. Not here. You get modern connectivity without sacrificing the premium sound that your car was built with. That's a win-win. So to recap, 5 big reasons for OEM lovers. Perfect factory fit, retains physical controls, matching materials, full CAN bus integration, and works with your factory sound system. The SCUMAXCON RCD360 PRO3S gives you all the modern features you want, while keeping that clean, original look your Volkswagen was designed with. If you're ready to upgrade, click the link in the description below to grab yours today. And don't forget to subscribe for more Volkswagen upgrade tips.
If you're ready to upgrade, click the link in the description below to grab yours today. And don't forget to subscribe for more Volkswagen upgrade tips. Alright, that's the 7th in our series. Did this RCD360 PRO3S end up being your favorite car gadget yet? If you enjoyed it, give us a like and hit subscribe so you don't miss the next one. All the product links are down in the description. Thanks for watching.